Welcome back. This is the part 3 of this series. So we have this question to simplify, which is simplify 5 plus root 7 over 3 minus root 7. To do this, as usual, the conjugate of this is, if you have been following us, you know it is supposed to be 3 plus root 7. So we rationalize by using the conjugate of this to multiply both the numerator and denominator of this expression. Let's get to the board and solve it together. So from here, we multiply by the conjugate, which is 3 plus root 7 over 3 plus root 7. What do we do from here? 5 times 3 gives us 15. 5 times plus root 7 will be plus 5 root 7. Plus root 7 times 3 will be plus 3 root 7. Plus root 7 times plus root 7. You remember the rule, don't forget. Root x times root x equals x. So, plus root 7 times plus root 7 will be what? Plus 7. At the denominator, we have 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times plus root 7 will be plus 3 root 7. Minus root 7 times 3 will be minus 3 root 7. And you have minus root 7 times plus root 7 will be minus 7. Since we've got to this part, what are we expected to do next? We are simply going to carry out the basic operations, and that's all. Bring those ones that look alike together and just sum it up or subtract, as the case may be. Let's get to the board. So we have 15 plus 7, because 15 and 7 do not have root. So we are going to say 15 plus 7, that is 22. And we have 5 root 7 plus 3 root 7. This is just like, let's say our root 7 equals x. So it is just like saying 5 root 7 equals 5x. So if I have 5x plus 3x, that will give me what? That will give me 8x. So instead of writing 8x, I'll write 8 root 7. Can you see that? 5 root 7 plus 3 root 7 is 8 root 7 over. Now look at the denominator. As usual, we have these two guys, they are the same. Plus 3 root 7 minus 3 root 7, they cancel out each other. So we have 9 minus 7. And that is going to be what? 9 minus 7. And this will give us 22 plus 8 root 7 over 2. 2 can go in everything. So if 2 can go in everything. So 2 in this one is gone. 2 here is 11 and 2 here is 4. So our answer is expected to be 11 plus 4 root 7. This is your answer. If you have found value in this video, kindly hit the like icon. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. I am very sure by the time you share it with your friend, it will send a message to YouTube algorithm that you are doing quite well here. And also remember to turn on the notification bell. Whenever we drop any video like this, you'll be the first person to get the notifications. I look forward to seeing you in the next part. Thank you.